I'm going to start recording this right now. um, as you can see, we had a nice big move down. We got a pullback here. I have red on the indicators. However, I would like to be at least up here to this red moving average. So, and we're not at any level. So I'm not taking this yet. But basically, because we have red so early, it's meaning this trend was pretty strong right here. But we got to be very careful and get this trade at the right time. So I started recording right now. And we'll see. We got yellow there. We almost broke the 200 there. We got yellow here, or we broke that yellow there. So this is giving us a pullback. I wish we had a nice support level to take this off of. It'd be nice if we'd shoot up to right here to 34.99. That'd be great. Wow, that's quite a ways away right now. Anyway, I thought I'd start this recording before I enter. It seems like I always start it right after I've put the entry on. Thought maybe it would help if I started before, so you could kind of see my thinking beforehand. We have yellow on all these. Okay. The only thing we don't have is this is not very high, but that's okay. We're taking a with the trade 5-minute continuation here. Okay, here we go. This is actually our entry. I'm in right now. I just took the trade right there. And we're up a little bit. Let me mark where I did this entry. Can't see really too much there, but it did do a little pullback. It broke the moving averages and pulled back just a little bit and stalled. Okay, up a couple pips. Now, like I say, I didn't like this too well because we weren't up to this moving average yet. And there's no real level there. The only thing you have is this one candle came down and stopped right there. You know, it's a little support resistance right there, but not much. So that part about it I didn't like. The thing I did like is the indicators. They were saying, you know, it's overbought with the trend down. That's what we're looking for in a 5-minute continuation trade. So we wait and see. I'd like to see this shoot down here to 76. That would be great. 76 is also a Fibonacci level right there. Let's see what happens. You know, it never goes in a straight line. It always has to give you a little bit of stress in your trades. That's just normal. But I don't know why that is. It can't just go in a straight line, but, well, I know why, but that's not a big deal. It almost never goes in a straight line. You always get some pullbacks and some things to scare you out of the trades, and, you know, I guess if it didn't scare people out, we wouldn't get the trades we get. Because you can't just have everybody selling. You gotta have people buying at the same time. 5.5. Okay. Didn't get our 6 quite. Come on. One more push down. Come on. Okay, I'm out. Anyway, because I'm right there on that. Right there on that 156. It was stalling right at 5.5. Yes, I want 6, but you know, this is after spread and after commission everything. I got 5.5, so that's not a bad trade at all. Now, if I was right up in here at this bouncing off a pivot or something, I would want to hold that for more pips. This one, this pullback was not very big, and so, you know, not even up here to this red. The only reason I took it was because these indicators were overbought. Our trend down was very strong, so I took a quick trade to get some pips. This isn't what I call a home run trade. The home run trade is when we get a nice pullback into this zone, indicators red, yellow, get a nice entry, and that we'd want to hold. This didn't go back enough to get enough people buying this to get enough people ready to sell. That's kind of what a pullback does. You get people taking profit, getting out of the trades, pulls it up, and then you've got people ready to sell again. And that's what will push it down more. Now, as you can see here, I could have got my 6 pips. This may shoot right down, break through all these lows. You know, I don't know, but that stall was long enough, and it was right at that 156. And we just didn't have a big enough pullback here for me to have the confidence to hang on to this to get any more. And I think that was a good trade. You know, I'm going to mark it here. And yeah, I feel good about it. I got 5.5. Yes, could have had more, but you know, I don't worry about that. It was a win, and it was a pretty good win. And I liked it. So anyway, I'll show some more trades later. See, look at that, jumped right up. Anyway, I'll show some more trades later.